Part 2 na. Kung napanood mo yung first part, alam mong hindi lang isang unit ang property na ito. 4 units, townhouse, apartment ito. Ngayon, ibang units naman ang ipapakita natin para makita ninyo ang overall condition ng property. Pangford Close, 4 units, townhouse, inner lot, Barangay Bayan Luma, Imus, Cavite. 273 square meter lot area, 333 square meter floor area. Each unit has 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, provision for 1 carport. As you can see, iba-iba ang condition ng bawat unit, kaya importante talaga ang actual viewing and inspection bago mag-decide. Selling price, 6,620,000. And don't forget, may promo with discount. 20% down payment, 1,324,000. Spot DP or payable up to 6 months. 80% in-house loan, 5,296,000. Up to 10 years loan term. Bakit worth checking? Because you're getting 4 townhouse units under one property. For investors, this could be considered for potential rental income, while for families, it can also provide multiple living spaces in one location, subject to property condition, renovation cost, and rental demand. No bidding basta walang kasabay. As is where is. Bank fees and transfer of title are not included. Kung gusto mong makita personally ang property at ma-assess ang bawat unit, free house tour assistance available. Message us now for inquiries and viewing schedule. This is Jin Puig. Thank you for watching. See you sa next property tour. Bye!